This began as a blank square of paper. No plan, no sketch, no art degree hanging on the wall. Just a pen, a pencil, and a strange little method called Zentangle. If your drawing skills peaked in the stick figure era, don't worry, you're in excellent company. Because Zentangle isn't about drawing well, it's about drawing deliberately. In this video, you'll learn the 8 official steps of the Zentangle method, the how and the why. And if you stay to the end, I'll show you the one Zentangle tip most beginners never learn, but should. Zentangle is a structured, meditative art method created by Rick Roberts and Maria Thomas. You draw small, repeatable patterns called tangles, one stroke at a time, without worrying about how it ends up looking. Now here are the 8 official steps of the Zentangle method. Step 1. Take a deep breath. No, seriously, breathe. Zentangle begins with a pause for gratitude. You're about to make something. Appreciate that, even if your coffee is cold. Step 2. Dot the corners. This isn't geometry class, just gently mark to define your space. Step 3. Connect the dots. Think of it as building a tiny fence for your creativity. A low fence, like one a snail could escape from. Step 4. The string. This is your map, a loose guide, not a contract. Curvy, squiggly, abstract, channel your inner kindergartner. Step 5. Now we tangle. You fill each section with a pattern, one stroke at a time. No sketching, no erasing, just ink and trust. You'll see me start with crescent moon here, and then floors. Want to learn these patterns step by step? I've got a slow tutorial video linked below and at the end of this video. They're beginner friendly and oddly satisfying. Kinda like bubble wrap, but for your pen. Step 6. Shade. This is where the magic kicks in. A little graphite turns flat patterns into dimensional ones. It's basically contouring, but for paper. Step 7. Sign it, own it. Whether it's your first tile or your 50th, put your initials, chop, or symbol on it like the proud creative you are. Step 8. Appreciate. Hold it up, tilt it, admire it. Yes, you made that. Even if your inner critic is trying to say otherwise. Here's the tip most beginners miss. Your tile doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be finished. The real beauty comes when you keep going, not when every line is flawless. In Zentangle, we don't call them mistakes. We call them elegant opportunities. Sounds fancy, feels freeing. So, to recap, no rulers, no erasers, no experience required, Just a square tile, a pen, a little shading, and a willingness to try. Here are the 8 steps again. Step 1, gratitude and appreciation. Step 2, corner dots. Step 3, border. Step 4, string. Step 5, tangle. Step 6, shade. Step 7, initial and sign. And lastly, step 8, appreciate. Whether you're 9 or 99, Zentangle is for anyone, especially if you think you're not an artist. In that case, you might need it most. Try it. You might just surprise yourself. Like what you saw? Hit subscribe and turn on that little bell so you don't miss the next Zentangle session. And if you're ready to learn crescent moon and floors in real time, click right here. I'll walk you through every stroke. Until next time, happy tangling!
With gentle strokes, the journey starts. A canvas blooms from simple arts. In tranquil lines, your Zen unfolds.